innovation. Pushing your idea forward through trials, refinement, into triumph. Across time, the spirit of innovation is constant, but the tools have changed. Today, people and information are connected across the globe through collaborative platforms, sparking inspiration that leads to great ideas, providing a full range of concept to manufacturing solutions in one accessible platform. With 3DEXPERIENCE Works, every tool you need to bring your products to market is available to you. Start with what you need today and scale when you're ready. Work how you want to work. Collaborate seamlessly. With automatic updates, you're always ready, no matter where or when inspiration strikes. We didn't create innovation, just the tools to harness it. It's time to innovate. It's time to triumph.